Hey there guys, it's Mitchell here again. I just thought I'd show you what I wear every day when I'm working. I do work at a tire shop. So, yeah. This is my DeWalt little tool pouch thing. It's pretty nice. You can put a tape measure there if you need or something. It's got two little small pockets and then two big pockets. So I keep a little Cobalt flathead pocket screwdriver. The little thing fell off of it there, and yeah, it's starting to fall apart on me. And then I keep my valve core tool right there. Yep. And I got my pressure checker. This guy's been used a lot. And anything air tool, not like impacts and stuff, but blow guns, I don't know, pressure regulators, anything for air, and obviously tire pressure checkers. Get Milton. You probably can't see that. Anyway, that says Milton. Get Milton. They are the best. This one is a 50. As you can see. And then I keep a pair of pliers. These pliers are Wildy flush fastener because they got it doesn't stick out. Which is pretty nice in case you drop a valve stem when you're trying to put a new valve stem into the rim, drop it into the tire, and then you can, you don't got that big bump right there that interferes with trying to get in between the tire and the rim. You can just slide right in there and grab it. So yeah, these are pretty nice. I've had them for about, I want to say a year, 2 years, something like that. And they're getting rusty a little bit. I'm trying to oil them when they start to do that, but going on service calls and stuff, and it starts raining, forget them outside and stuff. But yeah, they're pretty nice. And then I keep my flashlight. It's a mini mag. I got my initials right there. It's been used a lot. Yeah, it's a mini mag light. California, USA. It's okay. It's not the LED version or nothing. Even though on the camera it looks white, but it's yellow in real life. I like it for checking because our tire machine is kind of in a dark lit area, and if you gotta find a nail or something, it's really nice. And the pouch has this little flap right here. I don't know what you use that for, but yeah, it's got it. But yeah, I guess, a belt, a wallet, shop key, hat, and then my boots, things like that. So yeah, I'm just getting ready for work, and I thought I'd show you guys this. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.